Parth Sarthi Mukhopadhyay has developed a cost-effective technology for using treated bamboo to construct engineered houses for population below poverty line. Absence of strength, data, and less durability in bamboo inhibits its engineered use. The proposed technology contributes in value addition to such houses by addressing these two issues.
Actually, the target group is the people below poverty line. For them, there is a project called Indira Awas Yojana for the government of India, by the government of India, where they are giving 70,000 rupees for building their own building within 20 to 30 square meters. But it's very difficult to complete a building of 20 to 30 square meters within that amount of money made with conventional building materials. So this particular building is going to be finished within this particular amount of 70,000 rupees, number one. Number two is that then they don't have to rely upon other sources so as to or to compromise on the whole building. What they do, they cannot complete, and therefore they make the roof with something else and the wall with something else. So in that way, this is cost effective, number one. Number two, this is disaster resistant, because bamboo is a material which is itself earthquake resistant, and brick buildings are not. They succumb to lateral thrust of earthquake. So therefore, this is earthquake resistant, and we have taken care of to see that the junctions of these buildings are made in such a manner they are also cyclone resistant. So in that way, I can say disaster resistant. And thirdly, these buildings, normally the poor people have bamboo buildings, but they have to change the building structure within 4 or 5 years, because bamboo gets wasted but within 4 to 5 years. This bamboo is treated, so it will last for 25 to 30 years. So you are having a solution within the 70,000 rupees, and which is there for 30 years instead of the present 5 years. So in that way, it's beneficial.
Life of at least 30 years can be expected after proposed chemical treatment instead of existing bamboo life of 3 to 5 years. The construction cost of the proposed bamboo houses will be about 50 to 60% of the conventional Pakka housing solutions. The load-bearing structure consists of bunched bamboo columns and beams with necessary cross bracings to take care of designed load, including the wind load. This technique can provide housing solutions to rural India at large.